Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while playing the Roblox game. The game is crashing or closing intermittently while playing the game just after today's update. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, right click on the Roblox player and go to its properties. Now in the compatibility tab, check mark two options: run this program as an administrator and then disable full screen optimization. Hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead and try to play the game. Again, if it is still closing or crashing without any error message, click on start menu, type in Roblox. Now choose the option open file location. Again right click on Roblox player and again choose the option open file location. Now here you will find the Roblox exe file. You need to right click on it, go to its properties, again in the compatibility tab, check mark the option disable full screen optimization, run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and OK button. Now you are ready to play the game and hopefully this will fix out your particular issue. If the game is still crashing, in next method, you need to open up your web browser and you need to download the latest version of the Roblox, which is December 5. Click on this download link to download the latest version and download it into a system so that you can install this version only to play the game. Although for many users, if this version doesn't work, then you need to click on this older versions. Now in the older versions, you will find November 21 version. Click on this particular version, scroll down and you need to click on this download option to download this older version of Roblox right into your system. Download it, install it, and once this version is installed in your system, you need to play the game and the issue of Roblox crashing or closing without any kind of error message will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.